Hey everybody, Tim here, formerly Polished by Full Attention to Detail. I'm at my house. I miss you guys so much. I miss all my clients. I miss all the vehicles that I'd see year after year. But what I wanted to do was, while I still monitor my channel, I haven't even watched my own videos. I miss it so much. But I'm doing an update on my own car. Because remember, I coded it 3 years ago. And the shop closed last August. And my proper installations stood for themselves. Mind you, I wasn't the cheapest. I wasn't trying to scam people. I wasn't making promises that brought me a bunch of money all the time. I just did my job. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you my car, what it looks like after missing 2 annual inspections, and it's kind of dirty. Let's go look at it. So I don't wash it all the time, and it's kind of dirty, you know. Those are some like water stains because I sprayed it while putting water in the pool and stuff like that. I've cleaned this side so far, but I'm going to show you guys what it looks like in the sun in a moment. I just need to finish cleaning it, and then I'm going to show you what it looks like, to show you that my work stood for itself. I miss you guys, and maybe one day I'll be doing this again. Not in Lafayette though, because it's not the market for me. But yeah, I'll be right back with what it looks like in the sun. Oh my God, y'all. It's so hot here in Louisiana. I think it said 90 something degrees. It's crazy. And I say Louisiana because a majority of those that follow me don't live in Louisiana. So let's go look at what my car looks like, you know, after missing 2 annuals and me not having a shop to maintain it in and just doing it from my backyard. And look, watch. It actually all started. It all started back here. Clients would bring, and I'd spend sometimes 12 hours in there correcting and making sure the vehicles look their best. But yeah, let's go look at mine after serious neglect and you know, not doing my annuals and stuff. But I mean, so far, look at that reflection. Do you see a bunch of swirls? No. Let's look at it in the sun right here. Well, we got some micro scratching. But I mean, this little 2012 looks freaking amazing. And Lafayette Sheriff's Department, don't send me no damn bill because I'm posting on my social media. You thirsty bastards. But yeah, look, I mean, look at this. I mean, this is just what Ceramic Pro is doing without my annual inspection, you know, going on. Yeah, I missed last year's annual. I'm definitely going to miss this year's annual. But yeah, I mean, this is like just true performance here. True performance. This little thing still looks brand new. Yeah, okay, I haven't ordered the stuff I need to maintain my plastics. But hey, I could easily do that and maintain them. So that's what I've been doing. And, you know, while I've been doing that, I've been thinking, you know, I had to close my shop, and it would have been great. I feel like Rich rebuilds, you know, because Rich knows a lot of things about electronics and you know, electrical work, has a shop, and literally people don't like him. You know, because of course that's the scam artists that don't like him. So I feel that way too, because nobody in my area even wanted to talk to me after I closed my business. They didn't even they didn't even offer me a job. I posted, I need work. Crickets. Nobody gave a damn because they don't like me. But no one could ever beat my work. And what I just showed you with my car, I hope is still going on with you guys' vehicles. As I said, I miss y'all so much. I miss doing this for a living. It's just, I'm horrible at marketing. When the referrals stopped, you got to market. I'm not a marketing guy, and nobody wanted to market with me. Nobody wanted to work with me, and I couldn't afford it. So yeah, I hope everybody's doing well. Remember those that still take care of their vehicles and want the same quality, go see Alon Baragov in Baton Rouge, Louisiana. He's the only person I would trust. He's actually going to get my new vehicle. When it comes in, he will be ceramic coating it with Ceramic Pro, and he will care when he does it because he knows what he's doing.